3 pounds of living tissue. Yet inside it exists a universe more complex than anything humanity has ever built. Every thought, every memory, every emotion, every decision begins here. But the deeper scientists look, the more mysterious the brain becomes. Right now, without asking for permission, your brain is controlling your breathing. It is monitoring your heartbeat, processing the sounds around you, balancing your body, and allowing your eyes to understand the words on this screen. All at the same time. You do not have to command your heart to beat. You do not have to remind your lungs to breathe. Deep inside your head, the brain is constantly working, silently, automatically, every second of every day. And even when you sleep, it does not truly shut down. Instead, it enters another world. Inside the human brain are billions of nerve cells, known as neurons. Each neuron communicates with others through tiny electrical and chemical signals. Together, they form enormous networks, sending messages at incredible speeds. When you move your hand, signals travel through these networks. When you hear a voice, your brain transforms vibrations in the air into sound. When you see a familiar face, your brain searches through years of memories and recognizes someone in a fraction of a second. But here's the mystery. No single neuron contains your entire personality. No single cell holds every memory. And yet, somehow, billions of tiny cells working together create you, your thoughts, your fears, your dreams, your identity. But how? How can billions of simple cells working together create the mystery of you? Scientists are still searching for the complete answer. Every person you have loved, every place you have visited, every lesson you have learned exists because your brain found a way to preserve parts of the past. Some memories remain clear for decades, while others disappear within minutes. You may forget what you ate last week, but remember a single moment from childhood as if it happened yesterday. Sometimes a familiar song, a particular smell, or an old photograph can unlock memories you believed were gone forever. But memory is not a perfect recording. Each time you remember something, your brain may rebuild parts of it, adding details, removing others, and sometimes changing the memory without you realizing it. So the past you remember, and while you dream, those experiences can feel completely real. You may run, fly, fall, or find yourself somewhere impossible. Then you wake up and the world disappears. But why does the brain dream? Scientists have discovered important clues. Yet the full purpose of dreams remains uncertain. Are dreams helping the brain process emotions? Are they connected to memory? Or are they simply the result of a brain creating stories while the body rests? The truth may still be hidden somewhere inside the sleeping mind. For a long time, people believed the adult brain could not change very much. But today, we know the brain can adapt. It can strengthen certain connections, build new pathways, and reorganize itself through learning and experience. Every skill you practice, every language you learn, every new idea you understand, can influence the networks inside your brain. In a way, your experiences help shape the organ that allows you to experience the world. The brain studies the world, and at the same time, the world slowly changes the brain. But perhaps the greatest mystery is not how the brain controls the body, or how it stores memories, or why it creates dreams. Perhaps the greatest mystery is, how does the brain create consciousness? How do electrical signals, chemical reactions, and billions of tiny cells become awareness? How do they create the feeling of being alive right now? Your brain is listening to these words, but it is also creating your experience of hearing them. It is observing the world while somehow allowing you to know that you are observing it. The brain is the only organ that has tried to understand itself, and perhaps that is why its deepest secrets remain so difficult to uncover. Inside your skull, there is no light, no sound, no windows. And yet, from that silent darkness comes every color you see, every sound you hear, every memory you carry, and every dream you imagine. The human brain is not just an organ. It is the place where your entire world becomes real. And perhaps the greatest mystery in the universe is not hidden among the stars.